pumpkin garland is really easy to make, and it just requires pipe cleaners and yarn. For this project, you will need 2 large fuzzy orange pipe cleaners and a green pipe cleaner for each pumpkin, yarn, a thick marker, and fingernail clippers. If you can't find the large fuzzy orange pipe cleaners, they can sometimes be hard to find. You can make these with regular size pipe cleaners as well. So let me show you how. To make each pumpkin, start by twisting the ends of the 2 orange pipe cleaners tightly together. Take a thick marker and put it in the middle of the long pipe cleaner, right where you twisted them together. Wrap each end in a tight spiral around the pin. Make sure each coil is right up against the next one. Slide the coil off the pin. Cut a green pipe cleaner in half with fingernail clippers and thread it all the way through the spiral. With one end of the pipe cleaner, thread it back through the other side in the opposite direction. Send the tip of it out through the middle of the spiral. This will be where the pipe cleaners are joined together. Pull on both ends of the green pipe cleaner to form a tight circle. Bring the ends of the pipe cleaner up through the loops and twist them together to hold the coil together in a circle. Then twist the 2 pipe cleaners together until they're about halfway up to form a stem. Bend one end to the side and twist it into a spiral. Bend the other end down into a hook at the top. Once you have all of your pumpkins made, cut a piece of string however long you want your garland to be. You can find the middle of it and start there. And you left the little hook for the pumpkins right at the top there, and just pinch those around the string. All right, so you can space these however far apart you like. I do about 5 inches or so, working from the middle out. This is a small garland that I'm making for a small place that I want to decorate, but you can really make this as long as you want. You're only limited by your number of pipe cleaners. All right, once I've got all of my pumpkins on, it's ready to hang. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss an episode. I've got lots of other holiday and craft ideas.